Isang biyahe, isang kampo, isang samahang walang kapantay. Dito sa Banayad Festival, magsisimula ang mga kwentong hindi malilimutan kasama ang mga kaibigan, ang kalikasan at ang mga alaalang habang buhay naming babaunin. Tara, samahan ninyo kami sa adventure na ito.
Tara mag-camping sa ilalim ng bituin, kapit kamay sa tiring, mga pangarap ating abutin. Sa bawat tawanan, sa bawat kwento'y buhay. Tara mag-camping sa ating alaala'y buhay.
Magkakasama po kami. Figurasyon. Ito ang sitwasyon namin ngayon. Dahil gusto maaga. Hindi alam ang pwesto. Time check, 12:11. Set up pa lang. Arit ko.
Hello po. Hello, ito may tao pa umaandar oh. Baka bikamp yan. Yung bata.
One AM. Nag-aayos pa din.
Sunseed. Ano?
Harold, anong hashtag?
Titik, ano yun? Titik. Titik oh.
Titik, hashtag. Asan na si hashtag? Ay, para di. Asan na yung pink boots mo?
Mabenta si Kela. Hello, congrats. Graduate ka na. Kasalukuyan na po, nagre-register kami. Nakabigyo to eh. Bawal.
Wala na.
Bawal. Good morning. Very good. Banayad Fest, tugtik.
dapat
banana.
one.
Meron tayong nakuha string chips. Oops. May unloaded
Pero
beef.
kayo
Charot.
gusto sa mga inihaw, papaluto.
Ano mo inihaw doon? Ay, ganun kay Chubby Couple
Oo.
set.
Asido.
Basta mamaya, jumain ka dito, marami pa tayong
Oo.
seafoods dito sa
O kaya, kayo na kumuha, tapos pipili mo na lang.
Hindi mo kailangan yung
Kung sa bahay. Kung bahay namin. Tapos, meron tayong panglagay ng mga something-something.
After po namin magpapirma, kain muna kami bago sa raffle. Hello po, Biyaheron. Ano pong gagawin niyo pag kayo po inabot sa RTD?
Ibibenta na.
Pwede.
Ang sipag naman ng Tribe Outdoor, oh. Hinugasan yung mga hugasin namin.
Diyan, sa labas.
Sunrise paints the horizon bright, turning night into day. The future calls with open arms, and I'm stepping right. Oh, I'm feeling alive like never before. My spirit soars high above, and I'm feeling alive. Oh, I'm feeling alive like never before. My soul is set ablaze, and I'm feeling alive. Oh, I'm feeling alive like never before. My heart is full of joy, and I'm feeling alive. Oh, dancing shadows play on the wall. The world spins faster than before. Every heartbeat sings a tale of dreams that are now more real. Morning light spins
Gusto ko mamamigay, bet na payong. ARB, Differential Breather Kit, from Gears Banawe. O, di ba? Shifting from payong to ARB.
So yun, maraming salamat nga pala sa Banayan Festival 2026. Very good sa pag-imbita sa amin dito at pagiging isang organizer sa mga katulad nitong event, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood sa Nel6 Camp Venture. All goods! Yay! Very good!
We met when we were younger, just trying to find our way. Lost in the confusion of navigating day by day. We didn't have the answers, we only had the time. But every shared adventure felt perfectly sublime. You saw the awkward moments, the failures and the tears, and helped me face the future, calming all the fears. No matter where the road goes, no matter how far we roam, you're the quiet understanding that always leads me home. We don't need fancy titles or a complicated guide. We just need this connection deep down inside. We are friends, the constant anchor in the turning tide, the chosen family where honesty can hide. You pick up all the pieces when the world has let me fall. You answer every call, standing 10 feet tall. Through the laughter and the chaos, through the sunshine and the rain, we are friends, and that will always remain. We've sat through silent nights, just nodding in the dark, understanding everything. without leaving a mark. We shared the secret whispers, the dreams we held so close, celebrating the small triumphs that nobody else knows. We might not talk every morning, the distance might get wide, but one message brings the comfort that nothing can divide. No matter where the road goes, no matter how far we roam, you're the quiet understanding that always leads me home. We don't need fancy titles or a complicated guide, we just need this connection deep down inside. We are friends, the constant anchor in the turning tide, the chosen family where honesty can hide. You pick up all the pieces when the world has let me fall. You answer every call, standing 10 feet tall. Through the laughter and the chaos, through the sunshine and the rain, we are friends.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Salukuyan po kami nagsa-set up dito ng isang bagong air tent
Bagong air
na
tent.
tinatawag na
Mushi.
Mushi
Times 3.
3.
Hindi lang isa.
Tatlo. Yung Mushi yung kumanta ng
Ang ano na. And that lonely.
Kala ko
Ay pala sa gano'n. Ayun,